Frustrated with glitches that keep crashing your Pixel phone? Google's latest update might just be the hero you need to smooth things out. Hey there, Android enthusiasts! If you've been dealing with pesky bugs on your Pixel device, you're in luck. Google has just unleashed Android 16 QPR2 Beta 3.2, building on the momentum from last week's patch and the initial release earlier this month. This new version is designed to address issues and make your device run more reliably, and we're here to break it down for you in a way that's easy to follow, even if you're new to the world of beta updates. But here's where it gets controversial. Is Google doing enough to keep us in the loop about what's actually being fixed? Let's dive into the details and see what this update brings to the table. The rollout includes specific build numbers to ensure compatibility across different Pixel models. For instance, the Pixel 6, Pixel 6 Pro, and Pixel 6a are getting BP 41.250916.012, while all other supported devices, like the newer Pixel 9 series, are receiving BP 41.250916.012.A1. This is still rolling out the October 2025 security patch, which is great news for keeping your device protected against vulnerabilities. Think of it as a digital shield that blocks potential threats before they can cause harm. And this is the part most people miss. These updates aren't just about flashy new features, they're about ironing out the wrinkles that can turn a smooth experience into a frustrating one. Google describes this release as one that primarily contains fixes that enhance device stability. In simpler terms, it's like giving your phone a tune-up to prevent random crashes, battery drains, or apps freezing up mid-use. Imagine you're playing your favorite game or scrolling through photos, and suddenly everything stutters. This update aims to minimize those annoying interruptions. The supported devices span a wide range, including the Pixel 6 family, Pixel 7 series, Pixel Tablet, Pixel Fold, Pixel 8 lineup, Pixel 9 models, such as the Pixel 9 Pro XL and Pixel 9 Pro Fold, Pixel 9a, and even the latest Pixel 10 devices like the Pixel 10 Pro XL and Pixel 10 Pro Fold. No matter which Pixel you've got, if it's on this list, you're eligible to benefit from these improvements. Interestingly, Google hasn't provided detailed release notes for this specific version, leaving some users wondering if more transparency would be better. For example, without specifics, we can only speculate on fixes like improved app compatibility or better performance in low-light camera scenarios, common pain points in beta testing. On our test Pixel 9a, the download weighed in at 45.94 megabytes, which is manageable and shouldn't take too long, even on slower connections. If you're already signed up for the Android 16 QPR2 Beta program and haven't opted out, this update will download automatically, along with any future beta releases. It's a hands-off approach that keeps things seamless, but for those who prefer manual control, you can always check or download the OTA, over-the-air, images directly from Google's developer resources. As a friendly reminder, we're all about earning a little through affiliate links. It's how we keep the lights on and bring you this content, but rest assured, our recommendations are always genuine. What do you think? Should Google be more upfront about the exact bugs they are squashing in these beta updates, or is the focus on stability enough to keep you enrolled? Do you find beta testing exciting or too risky for your daily driver? Drop your opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take and spark some discussion.